Hi, I'm going to show you how to manage your internal links using SERP 360's link management tool. Internal links connect your pages together. They help search engines understand your site structure. They pass authority between pages, and they keep visitors moving through your content instead of bouncing. The challenge is keeping track of them all. Which pages link to which? Where are the gaps? Which connections are you missing? This tool answers those questions and lets you add new links that sync directly to your WordPress site. Let's start with the basics. Everything starts with selecting a page. Use the 3 drop-down filters at the top. First, choose your project, then pick a cluster. That's your topic group. Finally, select the specific page you want to work with. The search box filters the table in real time. Type a URL, anchor text, or page name to find specific links quickly. Once you've selected a page, you'll see a card with 4 numbers. These show your current link counts. Internal, inbound, pages on your site linking to this page. Internal, outbound, pages this page links to. External, inbound, links from other websites. External, outbound, links going to other websites. This gives you an instant health check. A page with lots of outbound links but few inbound might need more internal attention. If you're working with a page that already has links on your live site, you'll want to import them first. Click Scan Content. The tool fetches your page and scans for every link that is present. After a few seconds, your tables populate with all the internal and external links already on that page. Anchor text, link types, targets. Everything gets captured. Now you have a complete inventory. You can see what's there, spot gaps, and decide what to add next. The Internal Links tab shows everything connected to this page. You'll see 2 sections, inbound links at the top. These are pages linking to you. Outbound links below, these are pages you're linking to. Each row shows the source or target page, the anchor text used, the link type, the sync status, and an actions menu. The External Links tab works the same way, but for links going to or coming from other websites. Here's where things get interesting. Click the Opportunities tab, then click Find Opportunities. The AI scans your content and suggests connections you might be missing. Outbound opportunities show pages you should link to from this page. These are topically related pages in your site that would strengthen your content. Inbound opportunities show pages that should link back to you. This is often the harder question to answer manually. The AI handles it for you. Each suggestion includes a relevance score. 90% or higher means a strong topical match. Between 70 and 89 is a good fit. Below 70 might need closer review. Click the arrow to see why the AI made each recommendation. This helps you decide whether to act on it. Once you've found a good opportunity, you need to decide where to place the link. Click Find Anchors next to any suggestion. The tool scans the source page and highlights natural phrases you could use as anchor text. Each suggestion shows the phrase in context. You'll see the surrounding sentence, with the anchor highlighted in yellow. This saves you from reading through the entire page, looking for the right spot. When you find one you like, click the plus button. The Add Link form opens with everything pre-filled. Just confirm and save. You can also add links manually. Click Add Link at the top of any tab. Fill in the target URL, choose your link type, enter your anchor text and select the follow type. Usually follow for internal links. Click Save. The link appears in your table and queues for sync. Let me explain how sync works. When you add or edit a link, it doesn't just sit in SERP 360. If you've connected the WordPress plugin, that link gets pushed to your live site automatically. The sync column shows you where things stand. A green dot means the link is live on your site. Amber means it's queued and waiting. Red means something went wrong. Click the retry button to try again. A grey circle means no WordPress connection is set up or the link was added before you enabled the plugin. You don't need to log into WordPress, find the page, edit the content, and add the link manually. It happens in the background. For any existing link, click the 3-dot menu on the right. You can edit to change the anchor text, or target URL, or delete to remove the link entirely. Edits and deletions sync to WordPress too. Change a link here, it changes on your live page. Delete it, and it's removed. If you have the same link appearing multiple times on a page, you'll see a badge showing the count. Use the Show Duplicates Only filter to find these quickly. Sometimes duplicates are intentional, or perhaps it might be other navigation on the page. Other times they're accidental and worth cleaning up. And that's the essentials of the link management tool. Whether you're building a new content hub or strengthening an existing one, you now have everything in one place.